Hi guys, it's Alston. So Black Friday is just around the corner. Appsumo have released their early bird or early sale on their Black Friday products. We will be covering a lot more Black Friday deals on Appsumo when it actually releases all the products they have for the Black Friday deals. The specialty of Appsumo, we already know they provide LTD or lifetime deal, which are one-time price deal for various products and services. I am a founder of the digital marketing lifetime deals group. We have over 6.5k members. We always discuss lifetime deals and everything. So especially the lifetime deal for Black Friday is very special. We find really good deals. We also cover all the deals on internet marketing, bloggers and entrepreneurs. I will leave the link for that also in the description. You can go out and see all the various deals available right now in the internet for digital marketing and social media, especially anything to do with marketing and entrepreneurship with for Black Friday. So I will be keep on updating this list. So we are not going to see that in this video. This video is focused on that. So earlier today Appsumo launched their early special Black Friday offers. They have a lot more planned, but I just wanted to create a quick video covering things which are available right now. So first we have deposit photos. This to be honest does not need any introduction because this deal we get every year again and again. To be honest, my opinion, this used to be really good until last year. When I see this particular deal, it always really a good deal because they have a lot of stock images, really good quality stock image. So when you purchase a $39, you get 100 one-time photo vector. You will get access to 195 plus million images. So what is the negative thing for me? Because there is virtually nothing wrong with the service. Still, if you want something really good for stock images, I will highly recommend you because you get $39 and you get 100 images. So it comes for like 3.9 for one image. But the reason for me, I find this AI generated images, stock images and everything works really well for me because I own ChatGPT Plus, which have access to Dolly and all the image generation softwares also came in LTD. Even we have an early special on SUPERMACHINE, which does a good job on that also. So with the more of incoming of AI image generation tools, the stock image market is slowly declining in my view, but still some images are not available through AI image generation. We get really good quality professional photographed photos through stock image website, and also the licensing is very clear with stock image website, where in AI still some cases are questionable. So if you prefer, deposit photo is available, really good deal. You get 100 and you have various different limit. For example, you can buy up to 10 codes, which you get a $390 one-time payment, and you get 1,000 one-time stock image license, which can, and you can see the license terms and everything. So that is the first deal, which is deposit photos. The second one is sessions. This is also one of the community favorite. If you are part of our community member or any part of any LTD community, you know that sessions, they are really good track record of showcasing the product features and also giving a lot for their customers and community members. So this is a tool which you can use to create and host various video communication meetings and everything. You have a video tool, which is this also been been as a LTD or various offers for last year or so. But to be honest, I have this LTD, but I haven't used it on a real test case, or I just used it for demo purposes. So personally, I know that community feedback is really good with this particular software, but even though I have it, still I haven't tested it out. So if you are interested on it, you can go ahead and try this out as well. Basically, this is a meeting solution with video and lot more features. This product is also very polished in my view, because I have been seeing reviews from other reviewers like my friends, and also the community members also do give a really good on this as well, but I do not have any personal usage on this, so I can't really recommend it or not. FuseBase, if you are unsure on what this particular tool is, just it's a rebranding. Like you see a Appsumo deal with 422 and it's a brand new product, you are confused like, okay, what is this? I haven't heard about this tool, so what is this tool is about? So if you know Nimbus Note, or if you heard about Nimbus, if you already purchased Nimbus, the good news is FuseBase is Nimbus, so you get access, like you don't need to worry. Like if you have Nimbus, you get access to FuseBase also. Basically, Nimbus is a new interface for your Nimbus Note with more features. So that is what I am saying it. I do have access for Nimbus Note. When I was using Nimbus Note, I found it really unappealing to me, because the community members already know that I am a Notion lover, because I love Notion pages and using Notion. The lacking which I found on Nimbus Note was it was just bulky in my view. It had less organization capacity, and also the interface didn't look really good to me as well. So that is what they are trying to do with this. For example, when I went into it, it shows that Nimbus is FuseBase, full rebranding coming soon, new brand, final vision revolution. They do have access to a portal editor feature now, client portal, team workspace. I just today morning I switched to a new client, because I even had a doubt on how to access this new client portal, because still when I logged in, it showed me all the old design for me. So I asked on their private group, they gave me the explanation that if you go down and click in your profile image, there is a in the menu you will get an entry to switch to the new client interface. If you click that, you will get access to the brand new one. I will create a review video for this eventually once I understand the features, because there is a lot of functionalities for this. It is not easy to understand everything, because they're trying to do a lot in one particular SaaS, like client collaboration, project management, knowledge management, data collection, FuseBase AI also. Like even if I go into one single stuff, we get a lot of features like that. I went into this tried to create understand this, like I went into it. It have a portal creation with a lot sort of like a block based website builder, so it was overwhelming for me, and at the moment I was not able to spend the enough time I needed to understand it this better. But possibly I will try to do it, since I already have the LTD for this. So FuseBase is a Nimbus Note rebranding. If you already have the old Nimbus Note LTD, you will automatically get access to this as well. So if you click on this review, you will see most reviews are coming from the past. So just if you have the Nimbus Note and you just left it out because of those specific negative reasons which I mentioned, you might give this FuseBase try, because they do say that the interface has improved a lot. Even I found the interface really good, to be honest, like the font, color schemes and everything, but still I haven't tested a lot in order to give me my full impression. Possibly later I might do that also. So that is what FuseBase is. Robomotion, this is another very developer oriented, at least that is what my understanding is. I always wanted to get into this particular tool, because there were a lot of people were looking into it when it was initially released. It is a way of to automate repetitive data intensive manual tasks. You can create a really good the concept behind it, like if you are doing something repetitive every single time, it can be any sort of like with web or desktop application, you use something like Robomotion RPA to like automate that particular task. It is even before all this AI stuff and everything, like GPT agents and everything, we got this particular one, and that is what Robomotion was. Like even I went out and tried to get the free trial and started using it, but for me it was, at least for me, it was too complex. Like I had to learn all the different things and everything, where the GPT and AI start things started to come out, and I'm also not too much into developer and that type of coding stuff, so I didn't get the time to see this a lot more in depth. So when I went into the template section of here, you can see what are the templates already available, like check API health, backup to S3 bucket, calculate your BMI, calculate your basic math, all these things. Like go to the bot store, you see ready to use automation solutions available, which I haven't known this feature exists also. Like, so basically I don't have any experience with Robomotion. I wanted to get into it, but I didn't have it. I don't own Robomotion, but this is a feature from my understanding, from what others are saying, that it is really good at what they do, but it has a huge learning curve. So if you are dedicated to provide time and effort and set it up, it might be a really useful tool for you to make all the repetition go away. So that is what Robomotion does. The next one is SEOcrawl. This is a great tool, to be honest, because I have purchased it. I was late to the game with all the new baby coming in into their life, so I couldn't get into it immediately, but from what I see, this is what I have got. I will create a detailed video in like couple of days. If I get enough time, I will do that. Basically, we all know that SEO space is really competitive. We have the big players, and why there is a new SEO tool? Why does it get so much hype and everything? Why does this, what make this tool special or something like that? So that is the question we have. Basically, make the thing which I really liked about SEOcrawl is not its ranking tracker, SEO crawler, anything like that, because we get that features with almost all the SEO softwares. The main USP in my view with SEOcrawl is that it makes the search console and Google Analytic data in a very effective usable way. It shows that data with that. So if you are using Google Search Console, if you are using Google Analytics, because Google Analytics and Search Consoles, even though they provide a basic set of information data, which in turn it's really good, but it takes away so much of functionality or filters or data value takes away. But what SEOcrawl does is it uses the same data but brings back those filters and all the functionalities for you to make that data much more sense for you. You can find missing opportunities, you can find low hanging fruits within your ranking, you can find what is working, what is not. You can track your progress, you can see impression, you can see hidden winners or hidden gems within your keywords and everything. That is what I like really most about this. And also you see the price starts from just $19. If I go into plan details, you see what are the stuff it does and what you get with all the things. When I create a separate dedicated video for this, I will create one for this because it interested me a lot. When I do that, I will cover more detail onto this particular one. Basically, if you have a search console and Google Analytics data and you want to make better sense of that data, this tool might be interesting for you. So next, we have SUPERMACHINE. Basically, I don't have any experience with it because I didn't purchase this personally. I had couple of image generation AI tools like airbrush and other stuff, but I didn't keep on buying more AI generation tools because I was subscribed to ChatGPT Plus, so that was more than enough for me to generate images, or I can use my stock image resources. So I didn't personally purchase it, but this helps you to generate stock photos, art, images with latest AI technology. You can have a read through it. I don't have any personal experience with this, but it helps you to generate stock images or images with AI. Not only images, art, and even vector, I think. So those are the main ones. These are some free ones we got that EA is EaseUS video kit for Windows. This is not that interesting for me, to be honest. It's just very, if you are wanting it, just get it for free and you can use it, basically convert, compress and edit video and audio content right now. So those are the early deals right now for me. So that is my initial impression on these deals. When the actual Black Friday comes out, deals comes out, I will do a much more in-depth thorough video and showcasing my experience also. And also, if you want to discuss any of this, come into our community, ask any sort of questions. You will interact with other LTD buyers or other people who are in this community for a longer time. They will give you their personal recommendation and feedback on this as well. And also, they do have an extra 10% discount during Black Friday. You can get that also. I will leave a link for this in the video description. If you wish to support me, use that to purchase any deals which is interested to you in Amazon. We are not only limited to that. If you go into the main page, you will see all the different deals available to me. I will get a small commission, but it does not affect your purchase price, but helps me to create more content like this. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in another great video. Cheers.